Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A55 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your games are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you must go back to the main menu of your smartphone and tap on your photo on the right corner. There, settings option, family and parental control, which is on right now, and we have PG3. To visible games or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and now we can change it from PG3 to maybe allow on, including underrated. And after we set it, we press save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off, and it would work. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.